Advance to the next level with the SIGLENT SNA5000A Vector Network Analyzer. It is smart on size and versatile on abilities. It's half the size of contemporary VNA designs, but has one of the largest touchscreens for ease of use. The SNA currently covers 9 kHz to 8.5 GHz, features a solid dynamic range of 125 dB, and comes in 2 or 4-port models. The SIGLENT SNA5000A Vector Network Analyzer provides dependable and accurate measurements in both frequency and time domain applications. The SIGLENT SNA5000A VNA design is focused on being compact but user-friendly. It features a 12.1-inch large touchscreen and user interface in a small footprint that makes it easy to use on the desktop and just as easy to move around the lab. Standard HDMI and LAN interface make it easy to connect, display, and control. Bias T inputs are also included for easy DC biasing of external devices. For higher stability, a high stability clock source option can be ordered later and installed easily on site. The SIGLENT SNA5000A Vector Network Analyzer delivers a wide complement of RF measurements, including S parameters, balance tests, time domain analysis, TDR and I diagrams, and many more. For complex measurements, an easy-to-operate user interface is critical. Basic functions can be quickly accessed using hardkey buttons, and thanks to the 12.1-inch touchscreen, there's no need to scroll down for hidden menus. Shortcuts and full menus can be viewed easily on the big screen. Simply drag the trace icon and drop it to create a new window, or add a trace to a present window. If you want to delete the activated trace, simply tap on the trash bin icon. You can also undo and redo up to 10 steps. To add a marker, simply tap the marker icon and input the interested frequency. If you need to test several devices at the same time, you can also easily add a new channel. For better dynamic range, the IFBW can also be easily modified on the screen. For production environments, measurement states and calibration data are extremely important. The shortcuts provide quick save and recall functions, and you can also preview the screen to be saved. USB mouse and keyboards are also supported for convenient operation. Filter and duplexer measurements can be easily performed on the SNA5000A. Input the frequency range, sweep points, and IFBW. To shorten the sweep time, segment sweeping is also available. Calibration kit options include a number of SIGLENT, Keysight, and Rohde & Schwarz kits, as well as user-defined options. Add a new window and 2 traces to measure S21 and S31. Change the S11 format to Smith chart and add another trace to measure phase. The height of the window can also be easily adjusted for better viewing. With the bandwidth search function, the filter bandwidth and Q factor can be measured quickly. With the standard installed DC bias Ts, amplifier measurements are simplified. There's no need to design extra bias circuits, which saves time and R&D resources. The return loss and gain can be easily measured with a marker, and the 1 dB compression point can be measured in power sweep mode. The SNA5000A has a number of software options with over 120 hours of trial time so that you can try them risk-free. The time domain analysis option is useful for measuring impedance values along a microstrip and clearly marks discontinuities in time or distance. It also supports time gating to remove the effects of unwanted discontinuities. The time domain reflectometry, or TDR option, is an enhanced time domain analysis function, with a detailed setup wizard to help you get started very quickly. The TDR option contains TDR-TDT functions, which is time domain reflection and time domain transmission, as well as an eye and mask diagram. The TDR-TDT function adds T parameter measurements, which reflect the step impulse response of the device under test. And with the advanced waveform settings, it's more useful than the TDA option. eye and mask functions are important for signal integrity analysis, and without the need of an external signal generator, you can simply adjust the virtual pattern generator to get various kinds of digital signals, and add jitter to get statistical eye diagrams. Various kinds of masks are also available. The advanced user interface and versatile abilities are not the only reasons to choose the SNA5000A. Its solid RF performance, ease of use, and convenient size make it great for everyday RF testing.